All right, IB history people. Here's what we got cooking. Um, First, do the do now assignment for Monday, May 15th. And then, second, the Paris 1919 film questions are due on Tuesday, May 19th. So that's an effective way to cover the Paris Peace Conference. You really get to see the inner workings of the process, and it's based upon again the Margaret Macmillan book, Paris 1919, which is one of the foremost pieces written about the Versailles Peace Treaty. So that's a good place to start. Also, that's all we got going, and that's all we've had since Wednesday. So you've got some time here, some of you, to get caught up. Some of you still need to take that quiz, and that's okay. It's good. It's fine. Um, Keep in mind, I'm not. I just do it. You're gonna get points for it. Do it. Don't leave anything left undone. So that's that. There are also some solid extra credit opportunities worth pursuing. One thing, hopefully, as we did current events this year, that you realize that decisions made in history by world leaders, by those in power, have significant consequences. And one major consequence that we see today is the instability in the Middle East as it revolves around Israel and Jerusalem and the Palestinian people. There are two extra credit assignments based upon that to connect decisions that were made in 1919 to problems or the instability that still exists in that region. So I think it would be helpful for you to watch. Other than that, that is all I've got. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Be good.